Garlic Press Rocker. The 2-pack Garlic Press Rocker set by Webu Mamal stands out as a practical addition to any kitchen, offering both functionality and ease of use. Constructed from durable silica and plastic materials, this set is designed to withstand regular kitchen tasks while maintaining a sleek black finish that complements various kitchen aesthetics. Weighing in at just 0.28 kilograms, approximately 9.9 ounces, this garlic press is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle even during extended periods of food preparation. Its dimensions, 5.35 into 4.84 into 2.83 inches, ensure it doesn't take up excessive space in your kitchen drawers or on countertops, showcasing its practicality. One of the notable features of this garlic press is its dishwasher-safe capability, which simplifies the cleaning process after use. This convenience is especially appreciated in busy households where time is often of the essence. With a solid customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on 26 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance and reliability.